given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video, guys. Big up on yourself. I'm in the kitchen again, showing you how to make Jamaican potato pudding, which is Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Big up on yourself, guys. I'm just washing off my potato. I'm using 3 potatoes. You have to make sure you get them clean before you start peeling them. Okay, guys? Guys, I'm finished grating my sweet potato. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now is to show you all my ingredients. I have my coconut milk. I have some baking powder right there. I have some cinnamon powder. I have some nutmeg. I have some caramel, some vanilla, some all-purpose flour. And this caramel, I can use the coarse caramel or the refined caramel. And here I have some dark sugar. You can use granulated sugar if you want, but I prefer, back in the days, my mother them use dark sugar, so you can use a dark sugar or a granulated sugar, which one you prefer. And all-purpose flour, any flour you prefer, but this is all-purpose flour. You understand, guys? So this is all my ingredients. I'm gonna put little butter in there also. So guys, I'm gonna mix up all my dry ingredients them now and show you what come next. Okay? And this is how the sweet potato looks so far. See? Yeah. And when we say mother them, they look about them potato pudding, sweet potato pudding, then put piece of yam in there, or a piece of cocoa, or a piece of dasheen. And trust me, that now give the potato the body and the thickness of the sweet potato pudding. So, and the caramel also, and the flour. So I'm gonna have that. So I'm just gonna use my sweet potato and the ingredients then I'm gonna show you. Okay guys? Here I have my flour. Just gonna sip my flour. And the reason for sipping the dry ingredients because you don't want it creating a lump when you mix up your milk and your sweet potato. Yeah, so you just sip your all your dry ingredients. So I just put in the caramel. And depends on how much pudding you're making, you know the right weight of your flour and your caramel, and how much spice depends on how much pudding you're making. Okay? Yeah, see this? Yeah, this are lump. You don't want this in your pudding. I'll put in nutmeg. Cinnamon powder, little baking powder, and sip. See that? So I'm gonna put in some salt. I'm gonna add in my sugar now, my brown sugar. So I'm gonna mix up all of these dry ingredients together. Guys, what I'm gonna do now is to add my potato in my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna add in my milk, coconut milk, little by little. And then just stir it, bring it round. You want to get everything combined together. Okay, just take your time and just bring it right, bring it left, bring it right, bring it left, go down to the bottom. You just scoop and go down to the bottom that you can get everything out. I'm going to add in my vanilla, just a little tip of vanilla. And it smells so good. I'm going to change my scope and just use the wooden one. It deal with it better. Yeah, here's my wooden spoon. The wooden spoon or your wooden spatula. Mix around the cake, the pudding or the cake way better. Yeah, than the plastic spatula. This is how it looks so far. So what I'm going to do now is to grease my pan, and I already turned on my oven. I'm going to make this bake for 1 hour, and then I'm going to check on it and show you the finished look of my sweet potato pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Okay guys, bake up on yourself. And guys, I'm begging you, please watch out this video to the end. So I'm gonna grease my tin. See you in the next clip. So I'm gonna just put a clean piece on towel. I'm gonna grease my tin. Okay, my oven look like it's ready. So I'm gonna pour out. Look like I'm gonna get 2 pudding from this. Yeah. Look like I'm gonna get 2 from this. So think I'm gonna pour it all of it in there. Just gonna pour it all of it in there. This is an 8-inch pan, baking pan. Yeah. And guess what? Don't be afraid to taste it, you know. I tell you, say it's nice, you know. When I taste it, it's nice. Yeah, man, it's sweet. Yeah. Yeah, so that's gonna shake it around a little, that it can even. I don't know if this is too much, you know. So I'm gonna put this in my oven now. I don't have a tin cover, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it with the file paper and put it in the oven. Okay, guys? And it kind of full up too much, but I will show you the after look before I take it out, that I can see everything. Yeah. So it looks so far. I put it in the middle of the oven, so I will see you on the next clip. Yes, guys, this is how it look after 1 hour. So what I'm going to do now is to make my little topping, and I will show you how I make that on the next clip. Okay, guys? So you're going to make my little topping to put over it, and I'm going to show you how the edge looks so far when I finish make my topping. So I'm just going to add some sugar, so a little dark sugar. This is a little coconut milk, so I'm going to add some dark sugar. Little vanilla. I'm just going to mix this around until I mix out the sugar. I like where the edge of the potato pudding looks so far. Yeah. But you see, back in the days when my grandmother made the pudding, she made none of this, you know. And the potato pudding come out so nice with the edge. The edge is so nice around here, so it is so nice, may I tell you, man. You know, yeah, man. So I will just pour this over it and just put it back in the oven. Just make it bake for about 20 minutes more. And then I'll show you the after look, okay? The finishing look. I will never show you how the edge looks. Over the potato pudding with this, not the file paper this time. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is the finished look of my sweet potato pudding. And guys, I'm gonna show you how it look when it cool. I'm gonna cut a slice and show you how it looks so far. Okay, guys, big up on yourself. See you on the next clip. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my sweet potato pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe, and it come out really nice. I'm loving the edge here. You know, so here's some love on the edge. Yes man, it's so nice. Yeah man, so this is the finished look of my sweet potato pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Hope you like this video. Big up on yourself and thank you for watching. So what I'm gonna do now, is to cut a slice and make you see our outsides, make you see our insides look. And I didn't put no raisin in there because I don't know about raisin going on potato pudding when I'm there in Jamaica. I don't know about that, so I'm not put no raisin in there. So now go cut it and show you how it look inside, okay? Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. So this is how it looks so far. Smells so good. So this is the finished look of my sweet potato pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Bye. So guys, this is the finished look of my sweet potato pudding. Smells so good. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Big up on yourself and thank you so much for watching. If you tried, tell me all about it, okay? It's really good.